Hey guys, today I'm going to review Chase Bank mobile application. Whenever you open the Chase application, it has a secure login feature with which you can log in with your username and password. Chase app has a clean, intuitive dashboard that displays your checking, savings, and credit accounts at a glance. This overview will help you quickly see your financial status. You can also check your balance and view recent transactions, along with the deposit, withdrawals, and pending transactions as well, keeping you informed for your spending in real time. It also has a transferring funds feature. All you have to do is choose the transfer option, and you have to choose the account that you're sending your money from which, and then select the recipient bank account and enter the amount and confirm, and you have successfully transferred. It also has a deposit feature with which you can deposit a check. Just tap on the mobile deposit icon, follow the prompts to capture clear images of both the front and back of your check, and then submit it for processing. No branch visit required. The Chase app also lets you pay bills, set up customizable account alerts, and even monitor your credit score through Chase Credit Journey. With over 4,700 branches and access to more than 15,000 ATMs, staying connected to your accounts has never been easier. So that was my overview of the Chase mobile application. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides and managing your finances on the go. Thanks for watching and happy banking.